Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning in. Brittany's story here and you are in Nifty space. So before I get started with this video, I'm gonna have y'all subscribe real quick. I'm gonna wait. Okay, all right, yep, go ahead and click that subscribe button. All right, so today's video is going to be some of the best foundations that I have personally used for acne prone skin and oily skin. So what I'm going to do is at first I'm going to list the foundations and their prices, and then I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what to look for when you are shopping for new foundations and what to kind of steer clear of. So let's get into this video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start out with some of the higher end foundations and then work my way down to drugstore foundations. So my favorite high-end foundation is going to be the Teint Idole Stick Foundation from Lancome. It is $42. It gives a beautiful like satin matte finish. So it's going to kind of be like your skin, but better. It's not going to be super matte. It's going to kind of have like a luminosity, radiant type effect to your skin. And yes, so it also has SPF 15, which is really nice. And I really don't feel like I have a lot of problems with the Lancome foundations as a whole. And another thing with Lancome foundations, I feel like as someone that is brown like myself, they have an amazing shade range for deeper skin tones, which is always good in my book. So yes, the Teint Idole Stick Foundation is my favorite of all time. A little pricey, but my favorite. Another great one from Lancome would be the Teint Idole Liquid Foundation. Now with that, I feel like that is the same price. It is $42, but I do feel like with that one, it's gonna last a lot longer because I feel like the stick foundation doesn't last as long. That's gonna have the SPF either 15 or SPF 20. But yes, that foundation is going to give you a little bit more coverage. It's going to be a little bit more matte, but it's an amazing one nonetheless. And those are my top two. So yes, great foundations. The next one would be the Becca Ever Matte Foundation. And I'm pretty sure, let me check really quick to see how much that is. That one is, okay, so the Becca Ever Matte is $42 as well, funny enough. So that consistency is going to basically be like a thicker, kind of like wood consistency. That one lasts a really long time too, and I really like to bust that one out when I'm gonna have a really long day, if I'm gonna be working long hours and I'm gonna be going out afterwards. Like that stays in place, like for real. And that's like super duper matte. It's almost like a flat matte. So you might have to do a little bit of contouring to bring back the dimension in your face, but that's a good one. Another really good one that is going to give you more of like a natural, slightly dewy finish is going to be the Mercier Oil-Free Tinted Moisturizer. That has SPF 20. That's a little pricey too. That one is actually $45, and with that, that's a great foundation if you are basically going to go like run errands, or if you're just going to be out for just a little bit and you just want to like slap on a little something. The application is flawless. It's super easy. It's very sheer. Now that's really like your skin but better. It's an amazing tinted moisturizer. I would recommend to use powder with that one, or use a really nice matte primer with that, because that can look a little oily throughout the day. But yeah, that one does not clog your pores. The oil-free version is amazing. There's also a version that is not oil-free, but that is also a great one too, and that's a great one for the winter months as well. So now we are going to get in the more affordable drugstore foundations, which I actually have a drugstore foundation on right now. My all-time favorite one that I have on currently is the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal Perfecting Foundation. That one is amazing. That really leaves your skin looking healthy, looking super radiant, but it stays all day. Again, another foundation that I would pair with a really good primer and powder, but for it only being $9. You can get that at Walgreens, CVS, I think Walmart. They have a pretty good shade range. It's pretty bomb, and it looks really, really good on camera. So you cannot beat that for $9. That's a bomb one. Another really good one is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. That one ranges around like $10 to $11. That is going to be a great dupe of like the Becca Ever Matte. It's gonna give you like medium, moderate-ish coverage. It's a great foundation that stays all day, does not clog my pores. I can wear it all day, every day, and my skin is fine. It helps to control my oil. $11, and it's bomb. So now that we talked about the foundations, let's dig a little deeper as far as what to look for when you are purchasing new foundations. So what you want to stay away from is going to be foundations that contain fragrance, foundations that do have the word dewy, foundations that have mineral oil with them, because a lot of the foundations that have fragrance, that is going to be an added chemical that is going to irritate your skin. It will lead to breakouts. It could even lead to skin rashes, and it's just something you definitely want to stay away from with face, body, even hair products. As far as mineral oil goes, that's going to be really cheap oil, and that's gonna clog your pores super, super easily, especially if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, oily skin. Also, you want to look for words like this: matte, non-hyperallergenic, great for sensitive skin. Things like that you definitely want to gravitate towards, because you are going to have better luck with those foundations. And also, another really, really big thing is how you take your makeup off at night. One cleanser will not get the job done, so you definitely want to double cleanse. So you can either double cleanse with an oil, or you can use a really, really great makeup wipe. A really good one that works for my skin type is the Simple Sensitive Skin Wipes. That's amazing, 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 amazing. And that one is cheaper. But my favorite thing to use is an oil cleanser. Right now, I kind of go back and forth between the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil, long ass name, cleansing oil that has lavender oil, has evening primrose, that also has squalane. So it's going to really, really get the job done as far as taking off that really heavy makeup, but it's also going to have treatment in there as well, and it's going to soothe and calm your skin. And another really good one is the L'Occitane. It's the 5% Shea oil cleanser, and that's really, really basic ingredients, and that just it melts all of this, all of it all. So yes, I like to double cleanse. Always double cleanse, because even if you think you are getting your makeup off with just one cleanser, you are not. So once you take that extra step, in your skin will thank you. Another thing, do not sleep with your makeup on. There's a study out there that says if you sleep with your makeup on, it's basically like not washing your face for 7 days. So yeah, yeah. Yes, you guys, that is pretty much it for my foundation talk of the day. I will definitely dive in a little bit deeper as far as the topic of acne goes, the topic of sensitive skin goes, the topic of makeup and foundations go. But yes, I hope you guys loved this video. Again, if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, just click it. Come on, just go ahead and click it. But yes, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Always, I appreciate your support, especially being a smaller channel. So make sure to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and comment, and let me know some foundations that you guys like and what works for your guys' skin. But yes, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon.